Tsunami sirens blaring, warning residents to escape to higher ground. Those waves hit. They were much smaller than expected, but still a danger. Christchurch, of course, was devastated by a deadly quake in 2011. 185 people killed in that one. That was a 6.3 on the Richter scale. This one 7.8, but it was deeper in the ground, therefore slightly less destructive. But again, daylight is just breaking over there. Emergency workers are still making their way to that coastal town, so it's going to be a while before we know the full impact. Lucy Kafanov, NBC News, London.